Ready to unlock the full video potential of your Canon EOS RP and create stunning footage? Let's dive in. First, set your mode dial to the movie mode. This is usually indicated by a small movie camera icon. Now, navigate to your video recording settings, press the menu button. Then use the navigation buttons to find the movie rec quality option. Here, you can select your desired resolution and frame rate for crisp detail. Choose 4K for smoother slow motion. Opt for 1080p 60 frames per second. Keep in mind that the Canon EOS RP has a crop when shooting in 4K. Autofocus is your friend. In the AF menu, enable face detection and tracking for sharp, in-focus shots, especially when filming people. Combat camera shake by activating image stabilization. The EOS RP offers digital IS, but combining it with lens-based IS-incompatible lenses gives the best results. Don't forget audio. Adjust your microphone levels in the audio settings to avoid clipping or overly quiet recordings. Consider using an external microphone for professional sound. Control your exposure using aperture, shutter speed, and ISO. Wider aperture creates a shallow depth of field, while shutter speed should generally be double your frame rate. For natural motion blur, keep your ISO as low as possible to minimize noise. Once you're happy with your settings, hit the record button and start filming. Remember to monitor your audio levels and keep your shot steady for professional video. I'll go create some amazing content.